So be very, very excited as I welcome to the stage, Hooligans!
There's so much life I've left to live, and this fire is burning still. When I watch you look at me, I think I can find the will to stand for every dream and forsake the solid ground and give up this fear within of what would happen if they ever knew. 'Cause I surrender everything to feel the chance to live again. I reach to you, I know you can feel it too. We made it through 1,000 dreams, I still believe. I'd make you give them all to me. I'd hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender. I know I can't survive another night